Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable network stack on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. Once that's done, go to the advanced section and find network stack configuration. Then find network stack and you can set it to enabled or disabled. When it's set to enabled, you can enable or disable IPv4 and IPv6 PXE support. You can also set PXE boot wait time and media detect count. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.